Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to the ultimate guide for Lavaloon in Clash of Clans, optimized for 2025. This iconic air strategy remains incredibly powerful, especially with recent game updates. It relies on Lava Hounds to tank damage, while balloons sweep through the base, clearing defenses. Mastering Lavaloon means understanding precise deployment and spell timing. It's a high-skill, high-reward strategy that, when executed well, can guarantee 3-star victories against even the toughest bases. Get ready to dominate the skies. Let's build your powerful Lavaloon army. You'll typically want 2 or 3 Lava Hounds to absorb damage, creating a crucial shield. Your main force will be 25 to 30 balloons, following closely behind, delivering massive damage to defenses. Don't forget a few minions, or sometimes even some headhunters for cleanup or hero targeting. For spells, Rage, Freeze, and Haste are your best friends, boosting your offensive power significantly. Get your troops ready for battle. Before you deploy a single troop, thorough scouting is non-negotiable. Look for the core defenses, air defenses, the Eagle artillery, and town hall placement. Mentally trace a path for your Lava Hounds, ensuring they draw fire from key threats. Try to anticipate bomb towers, wizard towers, and even where hidden traps like air mines might be lurking. This careful pre-planning sets the stage for a smooth, successful attack and helps you visualize your entire approach. Now for the exciting part, the attack itself. Start by deploying your Lava Hounds, 1 or 2 per air defense you want to target initially. Then, release your balloons in a wide line behind the hounds, ensuring they spread out rather than bunching. Use your Rage spells to supercharge your balloons as they enter high-damage areas, like those near wizard towers or the clan castle. Freeze troublesome defenses, especially multi-target infernos or the scattershot, to keep your attack flowing smoothly and powerfully forward. Even seasoned players make mistakes. A common pitfall is spamming all your troops without a clear plan, leading to scattered damage. Another is neglecting proper funneling, which makes your balloons stray from their intended path, getting picked off by defenses. Most importantly, sloppy spell timing can doom an otherwise perfect attack. Remember, practice truly makes perfect with Lavaloon. Keep trying, learn from your replays, and soon you'll be consistently earning those impressive 3-star victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.